This video will help you set up a new course and add your students. To create a new course, choose Courses in the top menu. Then click on the green icon. You will now have at least two choices. If your school has set up course templates, you can make a copy of one of these. Otherwise, choose Regular. When you choose to set up a course from a template, you need to define which template by clicking Browse for Course Templates. Then click on the wanted template. Add a title for your course and choose Organization if available. Complete by clicking the Save button. Now your course will be created. It might take a moment if you've chosen a template. To add members to your course, go to the Course menu and choose More, and then Participants. You can add members individually or in groups. To add individually, click the Add button and search for people to invite. To add a group, choose the second tab and search for the group you want to add by clicking Find Hierarchy. Choose Group and then Save. You're all set. Good luck!